Hi everyone, in this video tutorial, I will show you how I create a bag from any circle pattern. So you're gonna start by crocheting a flat circle. You can make a plain circle using only single crochet or double crochet. Once you have finished the flat circle, make a back loop only single crochet to the next round. Then make 4 to 5 rounds of single crochet to every stage. I'm gonna show you the next route of how to make room for a zipper. A zipper I use today is 20 centimeter long. I'm holding the back half with the right side facing me. The joining stitch of the last row should be moved to the left with the zipper's right side up like this. I'm gonna attach a zipper's end next to the joining stitch. You can open the zipper so it is easier. Then attach the rest of the zipper along the back line. I'm gonna crochet single crochet all the way until reaching the other end of the zipper. I recommend using a center single crochet for the back side. It helps to create a stronger and thicker texture than the normal single crochet. My previous round has 126 stitches and I have just made 87 stitches all the way here. So the zipper accounts for 39 stitches. I'm gonna note it down so later I can go straight ahead to make the second half. Now cut the yarn and leave a long tail for sewing. Thread the yarn tail through a needle, then pull it backwards. I'm gonna start to sew the zipper by inserting the needle through the back loop of the next stitch, then through the zipper. Make sure you don't make it too close to the zipper's teeth. Then insert the needle from the back to the front, through the zipper, and then through the back loop of the next stitch. Repeat the process of inserting the needle from the front to the back and then from the back to the front. And please make sure you are sewing to back loop of the stitches. Another way to explain is to insert the needle through the center of the stitch, between the front and the back loops of a stitch. Next, you're gonna crochet a second back half with the last round of 87 stitches only, leaving 39 stitches for the zipper. Cut the yarn and sew the zipper in by repeating the steps I have just shown you. Secure the zipper in place and start sewing. The secret is to sew it slowly. No need to rush. As long as you align the back line and the zipper carefully, your attachment is nice enough. I'm gonna speed this part up in order to shorten the video. I have done sewing the zipper to the back and now we'll show you how to sew the back half together. I'm gonna pull the yarn tail through the standing chain next to the first stitches of the two back lines. Now I'm gonna insert the needle from the right side to the wrong side of the back half near me. Then insert the needle from the wrong side to the right side of the back half far away. I'm going to explain now. These are the two stitches you need to join, right? Instead of going through both loops of the two stitches, I work to the inner loops, which are the back loops, like this. But if you pull the yarn through the back loops only and pull it tightly, it will create holes as the loops are stretching too much. So my solution is to pull the yarn through the third loop as well, which is the bar right beneath the back loop from the wrong side. There are many ways to sew the back lines together. I myself prefer this one as it creates a cute pattern for the joining. You can crochet a small rectangle to attach the D-ring to the back. I will put the D-ring pattern on the screen. It is for a 1.5 cm wide D-ring. If your D-ring is bigger, simply just increase the row. Make 4 or 5 rows instead of 3. Then sew the D-rings to the back sides. Now get your back strap and your bag is ready to use. I haven't tied all the tails, so there are some tails inside the bag. I'm gonna use a leather bag strap for this bag, as this is more suitable than others. In these next videos, I will show you how to crochet a bag strap if you want to. The structure of the bag is strong enough to carry things like your cell phones without falling bottom. That's all for today's tutorial. Hit like if you love this video and subscribe to my channel for more free crochet tutorial. Comment what you like to crochet below so I can prepare for you in the next video. See ya!